FlutSky, Flutter enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the AnimatedSize widget, a powerful tool that allows us to create smooth size transitions effortlessly. Before we dive in, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your fellow Flutter developers, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Also, check out my other videos on the animated widgets series, they're super helpful, especially if you're just getting started. Now, let's explore how to use AnimatedSize and see it in action. What is AnimatedSize? It's a widget that automatically animates its size when its child's size changes. This is perfect for creating fluid user interface experiences without the hassle of manually managing animations. Now, let's create a sample app to demonstrate this. We start by creating a Boolean variable named isSelected, initialized to false. In the body of our scaffold, we place a center widget that contains a GestureDetector. The onTap function of the GestureDetector will trigger our animation. Inside this function, we toggle the value of isSelected. Inside the GestureDetector, we have a child AnimatedSize widget. We set the duration to 1 second. We use curves.easeIn for a smooth transition. The AnimatedSize has a container widget. The container has width and height that toggle between 200 and 400 pixels based on the value of isSelected. The child of container is center widget, which have a text widget that toggles between expand and shrink to give a visual indication of the change. Now let's run the app. As you can see, when we tap, it smoothly transitions, expanding and shrinking between 400 and 200 in width and height. Let's tap it a few more times to fully appreciate the animation in action. Notice how the ease and curve makes the animation start slowly, and then speed up, adding a polished touch to the interaction. Remember, AnimatedSize is a powerful tool for creating smooth size transitions in Flutter. As we've seen, it's easy to implement and can add a nice touch of interactivity to your app. That's all for today. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more Flutter videos. For more animated widgets like this, you can check out my playlist. See you in the next video. Happy coding!